To my ladies, there are some young girls that look at you and they don't believe that they're worth it. And they see you come in with the hair laid, the eyelashes and the makeup on, and you looking all good and all of those different things, smelling good, you know what I'm saying? And they don't believe that they're worth it. So I'm challenging you all right now, fellas. I'm gonna come to y'all in a second. I promise, just hold on. But to my ladies, I need y'all to step up to the plate and love on these young ladies. Because there's some things that they dealing with when it comes to mental health. Did you know that suicide is the 4th leading cause when it comes to youth? Oh, that messed me up when I found that out. The 4th leading cause. Think about that. We got 1,000 people in this room, over 1,000 people. And if we go from 1 in 5 every person, there's one person that's they out. Think about that. Let that marinate and sizzle in your spirit for a second. I ain't know how to love myself, y'all. I'm gonna be real. Like I really did. I ain't know how to love myself. So I did whatever somebody said I needed to do in order for me to get validation. So if a girl told me, I told y'all a second ago, a girl told me, Logan, you dumb and you stupid, then that's exactly what I'm finna do. I'm finna play dumb and stupid, like I'm at the circus. Cause all I wanted was, I just wanted you to love me. Is that so bad? I just wanted you to tell me, yo, Logan, you amazing. But then I had to understand, like, yo, listen, if my biological mama couldn't love me, how can I expect for you to love me? Ooh. He talking spicy. If my dad couldn't show me how to treat a woman, then how could you expect me to love a woman correctly? Who gonna step up to the plate? Because at the end of the day, what I need you to realize is, I need you to understand that it's bigger than you. I need you to realize and understand that it's not about you. And in closing, like I always say, why be normal when you can be extraordinary? And I need you to know that you matter. I love you all. Thank you for this opportunity.